In this video, I'll be sharing my simple yet delicious white bread recipe. To start, we're going to weigh our ingredients, all of which should be available at your local supermarket. First, we're going to add 750 grams of flour, followed by 25 grams of salt, 10 grams of bread improver, 25 grams of yeast, now before we add our oil, we're just going to make a little well in the middle of the mixture, like so. And we're going to pour 15 ml of oil right into the middle. Now it's time to grab our mixing bowl. Now pour your ingredients in nice and gently, avoiding any spills. Make sure to scrape out any excess. Time to attach our bowl to our mixer. Now if you don't have a mixer, you can do this by hand or using a hand mixer. Slow mix your dry ingredients for 1 minute. Now it's time to add our water. You want to slowly pour it in rather than just adding it all at once. Keep mixing on slow speed until all ingredients start coming together. Once your ingredients start to come together, we're going to mix it on fast speed for 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure your dough doesn't get too hot, or that could affect the final product later. Peel off any excess dough that may be stuck to the hook or the sides of the bowl. Once our dough is ready, we're going to preheat our oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, before we get our dough out, we're going to lightly flour our bench to make sure our dough doesn't stick. Place your dough on the bench and lightly push it out, like so. Now to shape our dough, grab one end and we're going to fold the dough over itself without tearing the dough, so make sure you're gentle. And what you want is to end up with a smooth surface up the top like this, keeping all the seams underneath the dough. And you should end up with something that looks like this. Now we're going to grab a bread tin and place it next to our dough. And we're very gently going to pick up our dough and we're going to transfer it over into our bread tin. Here I'm just gently pushing it down, making sure that we've got the best shape for our bread. Now we're going to leave our loaf to rest and proof for 1 hour. Your bread may need a little longer, however, if you're in a cooler climate. Once our loaf's proofed to the top of the tin, it's ready for baking. Score the top of the loaf with a knife if you wish. From here our loaf's ready to go in the oven. We're going to bake it on 210 degrees Celsius or 410 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Add ice blocks to the bottom of the oven to create steam. After 30 minutes, your loaf should be golden brown and ready to come out of the oven. Now gently knock your loaf out and allow it to cool. And just like that, you've baked yourself some delicious homemade bread. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed that video, please feel free to like and subscribe.